Hi guys, welcome to another video of Shatam Rajesh. So today is going to be a very different and fun video. I'm going to show you three products and they're not a typical tech product. I mean, it's inside a frame. I don't know how many of you can guess with that, but I'll give you a brief about the product. So basically it's a internet device, it's a phone and it's an iPod. So I'm saying it again, it's three devices. It's an internet device, it's an iPod and it's a phone. So let's quickly get into it and let's see what we get inside the box, because I am really excited for this one. And it is a dream for every tech enthusiast in the world to once hold this device or have it and see it in real life, because this is what changed the world forever. So here is the packing from the Grid Studio team, and it's really good. I mean, look at it, this old finish when they used to heat it up and then put it to stamp to seal. I have seen it in Dune movie and a lot of movies you must have seen. So first I'm going to open it and show you what's in there. I just don't want to break it while opening because it looks very good. They actually glued it there, and this is actually the iPhone 1, the first iPhone ever launched by Steve Jobs himself. Oh, this is really cool. They have given a basic storyline about Apple. You can see a little booklet, and then Steve finally launching the iPhone. And here it is, the Grid Studio team manufacturing. So this is a new this is them actually making this frame, and that is also really cool. They have given other things. So it has been more than 14 years since the original iPhone was released, and in order to pay tribute to the iPhone, its creator Steve Jobs, we are giving you the chance to win a limited edition iPhone artwork. Please help support us by sharing our artwork with your friends and family. Really well made product, really well made design. This looks really good. This is about Apple, Steve Wozniak here, Steve Jobs. And then there is, I remember this scene specifically. I don't remember the middle guy's name, but side it's Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. This guy, if I'm remembering right, was the investor in Apple in the starting time, and they were showcasing the Macintosh at that time to an event. And then finally Steve launching the iPhone. Let me quickly put this aside. I'm really impressed with what they are doing and what they have done with the product. Looks very good. Oh, and by the way, it comes with every classic deserves to be framed. That's true. I mean, remember down the line, like 10 years, 15 years later, when we have AR glasses, but the iPhone will still be the first product that revolutionized the industry forever. And I think it deserves a special place. Okay. Just a second. I'm trying not to destroy the package completely and open it a little. I think I have failed in not destroying it, but still let me try to remove this. And this is actually a limited edition product from Grid Studio. So they put limited quantities of it out, and then you need to order it from their website. You will get the date etc. on there only. And here is the frame itself, the first iPhone, and this is the 8 GB unit with every part and everything that they actually had in the real machine. The quality of this frame is good, no issues there. In the back, I think they would have given to hang it. Yes, these are the options to hang it if you want. And in the front, it has the back cover, the SIM tray, the camera module, the speaker, the earpiece, the screen, the home button, the battery pack, everything, every part. And they have also written about it. So it looks really cool. Although just one thing is that this came out torn, which I don't like, but okay. I am anyway not going to remove it. You are going to see definitely a lot of this in a lot of our videos in the background. And if you want us to also order anything else from Studio team, I think I will be glad to look at it. It also has written Steve Jobs' signature line. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do, and Steve's signature. So I'm really excited about this, and I wish I could have had that phone in one piece, but this is even better because it's, I think looking at it down the line in 50 years, it's going to be a good experience. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. This is the product. This is ordered from Grid Studio. If you want, I can link it in the description below. This is not a promotion of any sort. I have not been paid a single penny by the company. It's just my admiration for the product, for the first iPhone, for Steve Jobs, for Apple, and for, you know, the future of technology, and for what this product means and how it has changed everything in the world. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I'm sorry if I misled you in the starting, but this was intended to be a fun video because tech season is upon us and we are going to see lots of cool products. So thank you for watching.